This is morning after the storm, and yeah, we've had just a little bit of snow. That almost made it up to the window. So the cars might be a little while, especially for Don to get out of there. The truck, yeah, I gotta get it chipped out today. At least chipped out. I turned the defroster on when I left it. So if there's any ice under there, I should be able to slowly warm it up, put it on high defrost. Didn't want to break my glass. Yeah, bed of the truck pretty much full. I don't even remember seeing that in Connecticut. Some of the drifts are kind of neat. How they formed up, like right there on that tree. That's kind of neat. And the roof of the shop up there. Sorry, I'm a little cold. Whew. Yeah, I got a jacket on. There's the doggies saying, it's okay for you to be out there, but we're not coming. This is the area I kept shoveling out. And finally quit using. That's a heater for my room. It just heats up my office. I saw the back end was starting to ice up, so I quit using that. But it did a fine job for the first couple days. But yeah, snow drifts. And there's the front of the shop. That snow was a little higher at the peak of the storm, but it looks like it drifted away. And there's the shed. Yeah, that bottom part of the fence is definitely gone. And we got our icicle city up there. So coming off that roof, little snow drifts and icicles off our glass window there. So yeah, today a winter wonderland. It is only supposed to get up to a little bit above freezing today, but that's it. So how much of this will be gone, I don't know. But thank God you can see the power plant, the clouds coming up off the power plant down there. We're sucking some energy off those guys. And thank God for those guys, because they kept the power on. This snowstorm, it never really got super freezing rain, so there was some in it, but most of it was just light, fluffy snow. And created a pretty wonderland. I might have to work from home for maybe Monday, because it's supposed to warm up pretty good. And I see the neighborhood birds did get fed. That's my neighbor over there. He got his bird feeders going, so that's good. Because I saw them struggling out here. Some of them was hiding underneath that shed, and I'm glad they were able to get out, because I was starting to think they might get buried. That's it from Chester, Virginia, in the great year, in the year of our Lord, let's say it that way, 2016, in January. Mother Nature, wow, what a job. Y'all be safe, take care.